It's the Three Musketeers. Fuck it. You don't the fucking weird again.
I was saying that it was dead on 10. Should we wait a couple of minutes?
You reckon 10 o'clock?
Maybe. I don't know, like... I don't know if they... Get on! Oh, lad! Got that!
Oh, my GoPro was recording. I could have fucking done it on that as well. Got it on video then. So, this sort of concludes our Nurburgring trip, doesn't it?
Pretty much. Yeah!
Till
It's been
next
fucking
time.
good. I'm fucking...
Yeah. Till next time, mate.
Till next time. Be quicker again, hopefully.
It's not like...
Oh, that looks fucking faster to GoPro now. We were just waiting here for about fucking 5-10 minutes, just waiting for the lights to turn on. But yeah, it's just because we're morons. There goes the hero of the hour in his jaunty Civic. Anyways, so see, Soph, I'm going, getting ready to go. So this will be the journey to the ferry. It's been a good week. Everyone's done all different things. So you see in the video, like been to the wolves, the castle, the wolf sanctuary, the castle. Done some more bits and bobs. I didn't film any of that Ecosse place because Valiant Ecosse, because he said no photography inside. Plus he had customers' cars in there and all that lot, so I couldn't. So you see us going there, but obviously I couldn't film anything. But he sorted John's Aston Martin out. Not a lot, but no, it's been good. I think we've both enjoyed it. You'll see we had some really fun laps and really enjoyed it in the Civic. All the improvements I've done have been really good and helped it. So next thing you'll see is probably travelling to, we're going to go to the Lint factory on the way back. That's where Sean will be going his way because they're going to Dover, not Dover, Dunkirk, and we're going to Rotterdam, and then it'll be on the ferry and then back to England. So enjoy the rest of the video for the little bit that we got left.
It's just like this is 100k, 120k from.
Yeah,
And it's a nice little spot.
I'll
put it here, put it here, where this location is, but it's a lint factory to get cheap chocolates.
And we like chocolate, as we can tell.
It's just our
One belly.
the three belly. Our ritual now. Isn't it?
I'm getting a reaction video. Here we are in the lint factory. You're so excited you've left your basket. A trolley.
We need a trolley.
Okay.
Ready?
That's what it is. So Kieran, how much chocolate are you getting this time?
I'm staying clear.
Staying clear?
For the best. I've got the missus with me. I'm under supervision.
Supervision. All right. How about you, Nate?
I didn't pay 200 quid. I paid 114 euros.
You're going to get how much chocolate you getting?
I'm under supervision this time, so it's all right.
It's this bit that did me dirty last time.
Yeah.
I read 4 euros and just completely neglected the 100 grams bit, so I assumed that full bag was 4 euros and thought, what a deal.
Yeah.
It weren't.
Best value for money.
No. each bag ended up being a kilo, or over a kilo. Over 2.
And we won't discuss
And I
the
had 2.
price.
It was 114 euros in the end on little chocolate balls.
Is that it?
And then we went for a mad rush to find something for the missus because I'd forgotten it.
Let's have a look at the hole.
No, mine's not even mine.
Right. Very good. Yeah. Doing well, doing well. I think my wife went a little bit overboard. We just seem to have a lot of chocolate.
So that's us done. I'm in the queue now for the passport control back in England. So it was a good week. Like, everyone enjoyed it and all that lot. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you've got through the whole video. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. While I'm recording this, I don't know if I'm going to do split videos or just do one big one. But there is hours and hours of footage to go through. If you have any questions about the trip, let us know. We'll gladly, either guide you in restaurants I went to, safaris and all that lot, or even a lint factory. Just let us know and we'll head you in the right direction. But I don't think it'll be that long before we go back there again. I'm planning on going again this year. I'd like to. But you never know. But enjoy the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.